everybody? It's O-Team from O-Team TV, and I just wanted to come on today and show you the unboxing of my new Bersa. And what's a Bersa? Just a second. Let me take my gloves off so I can show you what my new Bersa is for those of you that don't know. If you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see when I upload my next video. Oh, there's the Bersa case, and actually it's a locking case. There's a space for a lock right there. For you all that don't know, a Bersa is wait for it, it is a handgun. Yep, a 380 pistol. This Bersa came with two different grips, solid black and the Muddy Girl version, which I like. Pink, it's cute. It also came with the key, safety key, and an extra clip, which I haven't gotten out of here. Let's see, it's a bit greasy, but here's what it goes. It's an 8-round clip. So, yeah, that's what a Bersa is. I like it. Fits good in my hand. And if anybody knows, nowadays you need to have some type of personal protection, along with the personal protection that you're wearing on your face nowadays, on your hands nowadays because of the coronavirus. And for you all that don't know, I did have COVID-19. You can check out my video on how I survived the COVID-19. It wasn't easy, but it was just check out the video. You'll see. It was pretty difficult. I wasn't one that was on a respirator in the hospital and all that, but you'll see how I managed it. Either way it goes, I like my little handgun. This is not my first one. I have another gun. There's the clip that came in it. I have another, actually what I thought was a 380, and my son informed me the other day that it's not a 380, it's a 9mm. So, anyway, that's just the unboxing of my Bersa 380 with the Muddy Girl kit. Actually, for those of you all that don't know, these can be easily interchanged by just unscrewing this little, I don't know if you can see the screw right here, and taking this one off, putting this one on, and it's just like having a brand new gun. Actually, it came with the black ones, but I like the Muddy Girl version better. And you can see, I don't know if you can see on there where it says, it's a little Muddy Girl signature right there. It's pretty cool. It's kind of I guess it's a country type thing, you know, for the females that hunt. I didn't know anything about it until I saw it on the website. Actually, this along with the case, and no, it doesn't have any bullets in it at all. Actually, no, I don't. There's no bullets in it, so it's safe to handle. Either way it goes, this setup right here cost about it costs, with this case and extra clip and everything, it cost about $300, which is not bad considering this by itself is about $250 or so, and the cases run anywhere from $30 or $40 on up, along with, well, the key doesn't cost anything, but the extra clips I think are like $20, and then the extra grips are probably $15 or $20 too. So either way it goes, I think it was a good investment, because if you're single, living by yourself, if you go out on a regular basis, if you go to the grocery store anymore on a regular basis, you need to have some type of protection because you never know who's around. You never know who's, out to do something to you that they shouldn't be doing. Either way it goes. I like it. Actually, I love it. I just haven't figured out what this little compartment right here is for. If anybody knows, please let me know in the comments what you would do with that little compartment. But what I plan to do is use this as my home case and get another case for when I go to the range to practice, because I don't want to get this nice pink one all dirtied up or messed up or anything. I want to keep it looking nice for the house. But anyway, yeah, I've watched a couple videos on it, and it's a nice weight. It's not too heavy. It fits, like you see. Well, I have small hands, so it fits my hand perfectly, and I think I'll do good. I think I'll be able to hit a lot of targets at the range with this. Um, I don't know. I just wanted to show you my new piece of protection. So if anybody has any questions, please let me know down in the comments on where I got it, or again, how much it costs. And I'm going to come back and do a review after I go to the range and shoot it. And a few times I'll come back and do a review, let you know how it felt, how I liked it, if it was as easy as I think it is, if it, hurt my hand or whatever. I'll just come back and do a review on the performance and how I think it performed. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Let me know how I'm doing on my videos. And hit the notification bell. Let me know that, no, not let me know. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload any new videos, when I upload my video review on this. Actually, this is the Thunder series. I never did say that. The Bersa Thunder Muddy Girl kit. So, that's my Bersa. Here she is. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up. You all let me know in the comments if you have one, if you've had one, if you have another type of handgun, how you like it. And I'll talk to you soon. I'll come back with that review on my Bersa Thunder 380 Muddy Girl kit. Talk to you later. Bye.